Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are cleaning the interior of a VW Kombi. We will deep clean the seats, carpets and loose mats. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do us a favor and click the subscribe button now. We hope you enjoy watching this video as much as we enjoyed deep cleaning this vehicle. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like. This will help us grow our channel so that we can bring you more content.